Where are we going today, Toon? Huh? Where are we going today, Toon? Not very talkative today, are you, Toon? Bye, mate.
Bye.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Right, today is the big day and we're off to the hospital, and the reason it's a big day is Toon's having a blood test, the first blood test after 131 iodine treatment, so we'll get the results tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Come on, missus, let's get going. It's going to get busy. Right, it's about a 20-25 minute drive. We're taking Ben Hur today.
Nah, ขนมวางอยู่บนนั้นน่ะไปไหนแล้วอ่ะขนมที่มันชอบอ่ะขนมโดโซะที่มันชอบกินแผ่นๆข้าวโพดน่ะเดี๋ยวป้าตูนซื้อขนมมาให้เด้อ
Wait for me.
เร็วสิเร็วสิ
Let's go. Well, we made it,
โอ้ยโอ้ย
and it's flipping busy. Hopefully we're just Toon doing a blood test. It won't take very long. But we'll see. How many you bring?
1
You didn't bring one for your husband?
นี่
Thank you. Very kind, isn't it? Excited?
so much
Right, I'm not going to film in the hospital. Well, it's just gone 9 o'clock and Toon's still in the main part of the hospital. She's already had a blood test, so we thought we were going to be shooting straight off. But she's now got to see the doctor. So strangely, we've now got to start the wait all over again. She's got a ticket for 147 and we're on about 60 at the moment. So I've just grabbed a hot coffee and sat out here. There's no seats available in there. It's absolutely packed. Wouldn't normally moan about it, but it's nothing to do with this hospital. All we've got to do is the blood test, and they send off with the results, and then we come back and get the results tomorrow, along with the course of treatment, if anything. That comes from Langpang Hospital, where she had the iodine treatment. So why on earth she's got to see a doctor here, I do not know. They can't prescribe her any medicine until they get the results. So, yeah, I thought I'd just come out here and get out the heat. I'll just show you where I'm sat. It's beautiful. I don't know why more people don't come out here and sit out here away from the crowds, but saying that, I am on the world's most unstable bench seat, so I'm trying not to shuffle my bum around too much. But they keep it lovely here. It's really nice. And a little bit further down here on the left, there's a huge pond with lots of fish in there, so I'll go and take a bit of that in a little while as well. But I'm just having me 10 baht strong hot black coffee, get my caffeine levels up, and then I'm going to kick back for a while. Toon, as usual, is being hard as nails. She doesn't seem overly worried about the results. It's true to form. She's just like, well, whatever will be, but I know it has been playing on her mind quite a bit, and she's really looking forward to the opportunity of getting off this thyroid medicine and getting her energy levels back up to where they were many moons ago. I've been treated in this hospital on one occasion about 2 years ago, and I got a fishing hook impaled into my finger. And I was quite impressed with the treatment that I was given. And I mean, they hacked my finger to pieces, getting the hook out, rather than just snipping the eye of the hook off and pushing it through. They gouged my finger to pieces, but they patched me up well, and they gave me a tetanus shot. The price came in at about 400 baht, so I was well chuffed. But I am on their register, so it's not as if I just walked in off the street. But anything more serious, they don't really do that sort of thing here. You go into the centre of Kampang Pet Town and you go to the hospital there. That's where Toon went to. So she got referred from here to there, and then she got a referral from there to the Langpang, who specialise in radioactive treatment. But it's okay, but it's a lottery on, well, like every hospital you go to, it's a lottery what doctor you get to. And I do believe, I may be wrong, but I do believe some of these hospitals out in the back and beyond, they probably don't get the cream of the crop of the doctors' experience and ability-wise, and you probably get a higher percentage of young, inexperienced doctors applying their trade early on here. So we've had a few instances where the care hasn't been great, but on the whole, I'll settle for it. It's better than some of the treatment I had back in the UK on the NHS. So hopefully I don't have to come here too many times. Generally speaking, for turning up to see a doctor, you're looking at about 2 hours from start to finish. No appointments. You just, well, if you get an appointment, you just come anytime you want in the day. You take your own blood pressure, you take your weight, and you get a ticket at reception, and then you just wait to be called. I think a lot of people come here for a day out. So they bring the picnic and everything. Tomorrow we'll be coming back. I don't know whether we have to come back at a specific time, but we'll get the results. And then any medication that has been prescribed from Langpang. Come and check this place out. Unfortunately, since the last time I came here, because we are not getting a lot of fresh rain and the water levels are dropping, it's gone quite green with the algae. That's a fair old bloom on here. But you can see plenty of taptim, which are the pink tilapia, just a few inches under the surface. If they're any deeper than that, you can't see them, but there's tilapia in here, snakehead and pacu. I don't know about anything else. There's certainly none of the big sawai or Mekong catfish in here. There's nothing exotic or anything like that from the Amazon. But I don't know what they do with them all. If you got hospital dinners, I'm sure that fish would be on the menu every night, but I wouldn't want to eat anything out of here. It looks like pea soup. I wouldn't mind wetting a line here. I've seen a guy use a lure here for trying to catch snakehead. He was casting from that bank, and I'm not joking you, within about 2 or 3 foot of this bank. So I think he put a line clip on because he was hitting the same spot nearly every time. Hell of a cast. Nice though if you're stuck at a hospital for a few hours like we are today. At least you can get out here. I can't be doing sitting in crowded waiting rooms, elbow to elbow with other people. Cooler out here, quieter out here. At least you've got something to look at. Look at that sky. Just a few wispy clouds over the mountains nearby. A lot of bamboo up the top of that mountain as well. You're not allowed to cut that. It's all government land. I'm sure there's a few mushrooms up there though. Right, I think that'll do until tomorrow. Fingers crossed for Toon's results, if we ever get out of here, that is. It's a little bit dark, guys, because Toon's watching TV and she's almost naked, so she's just thrown the towel over herself. And a quick update on test results. How'd you get on, Mrs?
Doctor say blood little bit better. But still have to blood test again for 3 months, every month.
Okay, that's what we expected, wasn't it? It's nothing too bad. So yeah, it's just same old medicine and test and
test. Next 15, test blood again.
Okay, good stuff.
And 16, get the blood test result. Finger crossed. Thank you everybody for caring. Nothing asking.